Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at two products from Final Audio, the UX2000 headphones and the ZE8000 MK2 earbuds. I will go over specs, features, and then give my thoughts. So let's take a look. The UX2000 comes with a user manual, audio cable, and USB-C charging cable. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, cream and black. Uses Bluetooth 5.3. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. SBC ASE codec. Continuous playback is 45 hours with ANC on and 60 hours with ANC off. Max standby of 200 hours. It has a charge time of 2.5 hours. Battery capacity of 700 milliamp hours. Taking a look at the headphones, they're fairly light. The ear cups do swivel out and fold in for easier storage. And you have the ear indicators on the lower part of the headband. The ear cup padding is very soft, as you can see here, and the headband is also lined with padding. The outer part of the headband, you have the logo on each side. There's also a good amount of travel and each adjustment level clicks into place. The headband is pretty flexible and this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. Looking at the left ear cup, the outer face has a matte finish. You also have the charging port on the bottom. On the right side you have the LED, the power button, playback controls, auxiliary port, and the ANC button. The headphones come in at roughly 242 grams. Here are my thoughts on the headphones. They were fairly comfortable. The ear cups were nice and soft and they had a good amount of clamping force. I do feel that the ear cups are a bit on the smaller side. My ears just fit in with not much room to spare. Build-in quality is simple. It's lightweight and it feels pretty durable. It does have a plastic feel all around. Button controls are easy to navigate once you know the placement. There's app integration, but at the time of this review, it's still under development per the website. The ANC feature was pretty good and it blocked out the surrounding noises fairly well. The ambient mode picked up the surroundings loud and clear. There is a voice prompt telling you which mode you're in when toggling the features on and off. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, heavy, and tight. A bit overwhelming at times and definitely falls on the warm end. Mids and highs are clean and clear, vocals and instruments do stand out. But as mentioned, depending on the genre and song, the lows can be a bit much. Overall, I feel the headphones are just okay for me. Now look at the earbuds. Inside you get the user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips and extra dust covers. Going over some specs, this has Bluetooth 5.2, SBC AAC, Qualcomm aptX, and aptX adaptive codec. Up to 5 hours of playtime and 15 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. 5 minutes of charge will give you 45 minutes of playback, multi-point connection, and it's IPX4 water resistant. Looking at the case, it's small and compact. It has a matte finish with a speckled texture. You have the branding on the top, the LED indicators on the front, and the USB-C charge port on the back. To access the earbuds, you just have to slide the top of the case. They're easy to grip and remove. The earbuds have a flat stem design to them. You have the ear markings and the charging contacts on the inside face. And the outer face, you have the same matte finish as the case. You also have the logo and microphones, and a large surface for the touch controls. They are a bit larger, as you can see here with the ear tips. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, ANC, and ambient sound. This has app integration as well, and you can control all the functions from playback, ANC, custom EQ, and toggle the 8K sound mode. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They created a nice snug fit and it provided good isolation. I did feel some pressure in my ear canals after an extended period of time. I do like that you have an assortment of ear tips to choose from as well. Build and quality is pretty good. Simple case design and it feels durable along with the earbuds. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and they responded well. The earbuds do have a unique design and it is on the larger side. I like the app integration. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, especially at this price point. I expected a bit more. The microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The ANC and ambient features worked as advertised. They blocked out and picked up the surroundings when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and tight, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and vocals and instruments do stand out. It has a wide soundstage and there's good separation. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, these are a good sounding pair. I would have to say that the comfort was a bit of a disappointment for me. And also the price point, it is on the higher end. So that is my review of the ZE8000 MK2 earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.